All right, you may begin your 7-minute pitch right now.
Thank you for your time. My name is James, founder of MoneyStation. We are a invest-tech company transforming the way of global investment through our content and big data. And before investing, most people go through very tough and time-consuming steps on even all different services. So to reduce huge research cost, we created MoneyStation. MoneyStation is a social investing platform supporting all processes of global investments, such as communication, data analysis, and real asset trading. And one of the remarkable features of our service is that we already have more than 90,000 feed talking about global economics, global stocks, crypto, and ETF and fund that investors can directly enjoy anytime. And these all contents are created by individual users, not by our company. And this collective intelligence has become our growth engine because this is continuously improving and enhancing our service engagement continuously. So now we are planning to add reward function for good post and making good marketplace for better monetization so that good financial influencers bring their followers to our platform. And our profit models are two and very simple. The first one is the fee of content subscription between providers and subscribers. And the second one will be the fee of asset brokerage on real asset trading on MoneyStation. And next, we also offer very powerful financial data analysis tool, Signal Engine, actually our cash cow. This engine is used for asset screening and asset management for both individual and institutional investors, hedge fund and pension fund. And they are already generating roughly $100 million trading volume using our product. So I'd like to emphasize that we are also very good at content analysis as well as content-based platform. And the major difference compared to the other robo-advisor is that we provide hedging against market trend or market volatilities in asset management. So investors can choose very well predefined and explainable profit and loss structures in their portfolio. So we can acquire new users with very low cost because we provide our tools and contents to external financial big firms such as banks and security firms and insurance. So in the format of web or API, this is our secret and repeatable go-to-market strategy so far. You can see new users are coming from other platforms. And this year already more than 5 customers already confirmed our services to be built in their application. So I think we strongly expect that this uptrend will continue more than 1 year. And the other KPI, the number of contents accumulation or the number of content providers have grown stably. And now the monthly post accumulation is more than 40,000. And I'd like to say that this consistent growth is completely organic. We have never done any paid marketing so far. And we are also expanding our business categories from domestic to global, and we are on POC with some global hedge fund in Singapore and some Korean big pension fund. This result shows that I think our businesses are very friendly and collaborative in global finance sector, not considered to be a competitor. The objective of MoneyStation is to become first the biggest investing platform in South Korea, which has more than 5 million downloads. And at this stage, the total estimation of our annual recurring return will be $100 million. And then we're going to start brokerage business to scale up and to maximize our profit. So our final business goal is to maintain OP margin 20% and $500,000 per employee revenue. The global financial capital market is one of the huge and very fast-growing industries, showing approximately 9% increase every year. So we are now especially focusing on the Singapore and Japan because each country is one of the huge. They are one of the largest asset management market, and even their hedge fund sizes are about 3 and 10 times bigger than South Korea. And our product is very specialized for hedging, I told you before, which is their main investing strategy. So first, we are very working hard and trying to go to market. I'm James Lee, CEO at MoneyStation. I worked for a quant fund manager before and experienced more than $1 billion asset size. And our teams are all practitioners from finance and data science and IT and FinTech. And we are all endeavoring to lower research cost for investors with very multidisciplinary team approach method for more than 5 years. I think I'm lucky because nobody has escaped from our company yet. And actually, last year we touched break-even point by ourselves, and we are going to touch also 1 and 10 and $100 million revenue step by step, and I think we can make it realized because we have very well organized and consecutive profit models. For example, content and data analysis, and brokerage and global market. Everything we do is to become just the most loved investing platform for global investors. And it's my great honor to have this presentation opportunity today. Very appreciate your listening. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was Mr. James Lee, R&D and CEO of MoneyStation from South Korea.